Welcome to off season short bus journey. It began day one with finding some tools. I headed off to the store to try to grab some tools. And man, I didn't know this stuff cost $10, but I had to get it. And I came home and I got busy. Sparks was flying. Check this out. It's so cool. I'm liking this already, and I haven't even really just began. But I wanted to get those seats removed, and that was my goal. I was creating my own fireworks. I gotta tell some people, they didn't tell me how difficult these seats were to get out. Yeah, using my tools was fun, but it wasn't an easy task. And I guess that's good, because that means for those of you who have kids and they have to ride a school bus, man, that school bus is put together, okay? This kind of high-priced stuff I had to spray on, see if that would make it a little easier. Let it sit for a while. And I ran to pick up my granddaughter from day camp. And little did I know, when I would return, yay, the hubby would be there. He saw what I had started, and he took the liberty to help me finish. Yay. Him and his helper, Pre. Shouts out to them. Thank you. One seat down. Only about 12 more to go. But with their loving help, I got it done. I still have to do some grinding, but I didn't want to do that today. I discovered some of the lights work. When he put a battery in, the brake lights work, the signals work. That was very impressive to me. Even the inside lights work. I'm loving this bus even more. I still got to grind, like I said, but that's something that'll probably happen day 3, day 4, 5-ish. Just trying to beat the rain. And I also wanted to get this thing pressure washed, just to see if all this gunk buildup will come off. And so far, so good. It was coming off very, very good. Pressure washing is work, but I wouldn't trade this tool for nothing. A pressure washer is definitely your friend. Shout out to everybody who pressure washes for a job. I don't envy you at all, because it's work. All that greenish buildup from sitting out was coming off. And you'll see the difference. I've had to stop. I'll finish tomorrow, some other time. But for now, the seats are out and it's pressure washed partially. And I'm tired. But thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Continue this journey with me. See you later.